Go to the cleanup section and then click right here, click boost, and bam, it's going to start optimizing your PC. And as you can see, this saves a lot of precious space. Go ahead and go to these settings below to be more specific. Use the system health check right here to clean up Windows cache, browser cache, temporary file system logs, and so on, which again saves you a lot of space. Alright, now go to the storage manager to take things to the next level. This option right here is amazing, the one that says manage large files. So basically, you can delete specific file sizes. And look, here they are. And then right after that, you can go ahead and do a deep system cleanup to remove temporary system files. Now, don't forget about the recycle bin, especially if you don't have anything there. You can save up a lot of space by removing unnecessary things there. Next, go ahead and use the process management to see which apps in the background are eating up all of your resources. So as you can see, no surprise here, having many Chrome tabs opened is using up a lot of RAM. So go ahead and close the apps that you don't need to be running. Next, for startup apps, go ahead and really focus on the apps that have a high startup impact. The higher the impact, the slower your startup. So if you don't need that specific app, please disable it. And that's it. These settings right here should pretty much optimize your PC. For more videos like this, subscribe. Thanks for watching.